Hey Aggies! One of the greatest perks of being an undergraduate UC Davis student is being able to ride unitrans by simply showing your Aggie card. But what is unitrans? And how do these giant red buses work? Let's take a look at this ASUCD unit to see how you can get around town. Unitrans is the official public transit provider for the City of Davis and UC Davis. It's student run, which means that all drivers and almost all other staff are students. There are 18 weekday lines that run all over Davis, including UC Davis, Downtown, Target, Safeway, Sutter Hospital, and more. The buses also run on weekends and most holidays, which means you'll always have a way to get around throughout the year. If you're an undergraduate student at UC Davis, you can use your UC Davis student ID to get in. No printed or digital copies are accepted, so make sure you bring your original card with you. For everyone else, including UC Davis graduate students and staff, you can purchase a pass online at unitrans.com or at a local retail location like the UC Davis bookstore. When riding on Unitrans, remember to be at the bus stop on time. Make sure you have your pass ready before boarding to show the driver. If you don't have a pass, you can pay the $1.25 fare using exact change in the fare box. Davis seniors and community members with qualifying disabilities can also ride Unitrans for free. Medicare, for example, is a valid pass for Davis seniors. Make sure you look at the destination sign before boarding. Your driver will always shout out last calls before leaving the terminal, as well as the main streets for that route. Once you're in the bus, make sure you make your way to the back of the vehicle in order to make more space for other passengers. Sometimes routes may be impacted, so riders may be required to take their bag off. If this happens, please make sure to listen to all requests made by conductors or drivers. Not sure where your stop is? Just ask. They'll also announce popular stops in town to help orient you during the ride. And while your driver is happy to chat, remember to keep a conversation to a minimum so they can focus on the road and keep you safe. To help aid busy routes, we also run extra capacity buses called tripper buses. These help keep your bus ride comfortable and on time. Make sure you stick to the scheduled time to ensure you don't miss the bus. Your stop will only be served once per scheduled time. Let's go over how to read the schedule to plan your next trip. First, to know where your nearest bus stop is, check out unitrans.com where you can use Google Maps to find the closest stop or contact us to locate it for you. You can use this to also plan your trip by entering your start location, your destination, and when you want to travel. If you'd like to ride on a double-decker, know that those buses operate only on select routes viewable on the schedule. You can look for the DD icon in the printed schedule or call us if you want to know when one operates. For these vintage buses, the destination sign is in the back of the bus. That's also where you board. Once you hop on, the conductor stationed there will ask for your stop to ensure you reach your destination. They'll also be happy to help with anything else. Need more specialized services? Let's hop over to my friend Mira to learn more about different options.
Thanks, Jerricho! Need more specialized service? Davis Community Transit provides particular service to qualifying members, including community members with disabilities or older adults. DCT will pick you up and drop you off to and from your requested locations within Davis. Want to go to the Sacramento Airport or downtown Sacramento? Your undergraduate student ID allows you access to ride all YOLO bus routes. YOLO Bus is an inter-city connection in the area. Go to yolobus.com for more information. Need to get to the UC Davis Medical Center in Sacramento? The Causeway Connection bus service connects UC Davis directly with the UC Davis Medical Center and is free for UCD staff and students. For more information, head to causewayconnection.com. Back to you, Jerricho.
Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Unitrans. We hope to be riding with you soon. For more up-to-date information, you can visit unitrans.com, call us at this number below, or email us at unitrans@ucdavis.edu. Happy riding!